Okay. Wait, who are you versing again? Sonic. Oh, okay. You got this. What the heck did you do that for? You're gonna lose. Come on. And Blue Toad should be here any minute. So come on, we gotta hurry up. Thank you. Okay, you got this. Oh my God! Wait, where's Boss? Blue Toad's home. What do you want? Guys, I just brought the most awesomest thing to our home right now. Oh my God, this is gonna protect us forever. Stupid block. Oh, I can never get this. Okay, whatever. Now, I have something to show you real quick. Okay, what is it? What is it, Toad? What is it, Bob? Oh, you're gonna go
Excited.
Oh, you're gonna go watch the 1994 channel on TV?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You do that, whatever. Oh God, you get on my nerves. Okay. There, I turn on my. Okay, now Blue Toad, what did you want to tell me? You can tell. Oh my God! Would you please get up? Now I will show you the most awesome. Let go of my hair. Awesomest thing of the world. Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, okay. Okay, so what did you want to tell me? Well, I got the most awesomest thing from Bass Lake. Wait, you want the Bass Lake? Yeah, it's so awesome. Yeah, and all this. Okay, and you just got back and you didn't tell us. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, what is it? Oh, I'm here to present you the Bass Lake pocket knife. Ha ha. Oh, you see this pocket knife? I'm gonna cut somebody with it. You see this pocket knife? Come on, boys and girls. You know the words.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay. Now, to get this, we gotta have to bam do this. It's so beautiful. Just look at this, Timmy. Look at this piece of art. Yeah, whoa. Don't forget, that's a real knife. You're gonna cut someone with it. I don't care. I will be assassin. It's scary. I don't care what he says. I will be assassination. Assassination Toad. Oh, yeah. Batteries not included. Each sold separately. You know the words, kid. Bam. No. It's alive. Just... So funny. Okay, Toad. I gotta go check on him. Oh, this thing is so awesome. I'm gonna have to play my favorite song with this. Hey, yeah. Hey, Rockstar, party like a rockstar, party like a rockstar, party like a rockstar. Oh, let me see my moves. Whoa, look at these nips. Oh my God, I cut myself. Oh my God, the pain. Oh my God, no. Blue Toad, what's wrong? I cut myself with my fucking Bass Lake pocket knife. Oh, how could you trust these nature's people? Look at this. And I don't know why I gotta say Ken. Seriously, that's not even my name. God, so horrible. Okay, well then, maybe you should just take it back. No! I spent $20 on that. Okay? Okay. Sheesh. Yeah, that's it. Now go get me a bandage. Now! Okay, you don't have to say it so rude. You're kind of getting out of control. I said go get me a bandage. Or else I will use this. Okay. Oh my God. It's no fair. Jeez. Oh man. Okay, I'm coming. What is it? Okay, we didn't have any bandages, so I I just got you a piece of toilet paper, okay? We're gonna wrap it around your arm. Fine. Okay, steady, steady, steady. Ow, it hurts! Okay, sorry, of course it's gonna hurt. Do you know what's about to happen if people hurt me? No, I don't. I will kill them. Oh, okay. Now, you will die. Maybe. Okay, I'll just step back. No! Oh, I can't! No! Oh, I can't! He's finally dead. Assassination! Woo! Assassination, baby! Whoa! I am the ghost of Knives of the World! And I do not know why a Dracula song is playing. So, do you want to see what happens if you do something to your friends with knives? Like how you killed that guy named Timmy? No, you can just get out of this video, okay? Okay. Thought I was helping. Ooh. Maybe everybody's right. Maybe I should just get away from this knife. Yeah! Okay, now I can go back to my usual life. Whatever. Beware of the devil! Wait, that was wrong. Okay.